Hey everyone, today I want to talk about leading your team or teams at an IT company and the different levels of technicians and engineers that are involved to make it happen for our customers. Whether you're an IT professional, an MSP, or a small business thinking about outsourcing your IT to an MSP like Digital Boardwalk, this is a good episode to better understand all the players on the team that make it happen each and every day. Remember, regardless of what's on your business card, you're the coach of your IT team. Your team is looking to you for a game plan, and your organization's leadership is looking for results. Just like a sports team, your IT team has generalists and specialists, rookies and veterans. How do you meet the needs of all these players? How do you help them achieve their goals? It's up to you to field an effective team every day and anticipate the future needs of your organization. All while IT unemployment is at an all-time low right now. It's hard to find people. So let's put it out there and achieve a winning record. Come on, just like in football. We'll talk about your rookies, your starters, your special teams, and your veterans. So let's get on the field. So let's talk about your young folks. Your green team, whatever you call them. You'll always have a few people on your team who are just starting out in IT. With tech unemployment low in the US, you're bound to need to hire someone with a less than optimal skill set. Give them a path that starts with the basics, and that's easy to navigate. The CompTIA courses and associated certifications are a solid starting point for all IT professionals. If your hires come in with those under their belt, great. If not, or if they need a refresher, you've got them covered. Desktop support is a key area for all organizations, and it's a good early step in the career of an IT professional. While the ideal ratio of end user to IT service desk worker is 70-1, 70-1, this number varies widely. Most organizations use this role as a springboard to more advanced IT positions. So it's a great place for your youngsters to dig in. If you're supporting solely a Windows shop or a Mac shop, you've got a single layer of complexity. Supporting both, make sure your team's cross-trained to handle every situation. Really, who doesn't need a few more desktop support folks, right? System administrators, let's talk about them. System administrators, these are the folks that keep the engines running in your organization. Your systems admins are experts in any system you might throw at them. Your network admins keep the network operating smoothly. If these folks don't do their job, you'll hear about it loudly. If they do, it's business as usual, and that's a good thing. As coach, you need to approach them with the right balance of a manageable workload with challenging tasks and continual upskilling. Special teams. As the IT landscape expands and your responsibilities as an IT leader grow, you'll need more specialized players to get the job done, right? Your special teams group is just that, a group that plugs in for specific needs and goes deep on their expertise in the field. Whether it's your cloud specialists, cybersec experts, virtualization crew, or DBAs, suit them up with the right training. Cloud. There's so many variables with your cloud computing approach. You've got multiple vendors like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and different deployment options such as public, private, community, hybrid. While all of your team should be familiar with virtualization technology, you'll need folks to take a deep dive. Your go-to people should understand the technology common to all virtualization tools and know the main tools inside and out. Cybersecurity. Your security pros are in demand, folks. They must be familiar with the basics, plus pen testing tools, cryptography, malware detection, and a whole lot more. Are they tasked with running your end user security awareness program? If they are, arm them with the best, most current training around. Database administrators, the DBA, the heart of an organization, running queries and slicing and dicing info upon request. Veterans, the team members with a ton of experience can help take you to a new level with advanced certifications. Get your IT team to perform at optimum levels and keep them there with processes and disciplines that are proven at organizations globally. Whether you choose ITIL, Lean Six Sigma, Agile, Project Management Professional, or PMP, which I've got a guy on staff going through that now, Prince 2 or CompTIA Project Plus, the key is applying the learnings your team brings to the table and using these strategies to optimize your organization. So now that you know the paths for your team, how do you get each person on the right one and keep them there, right? An easy way is to invest in a training platform that's broad enough to meet everyone's needs, but also dives deeply enough to get beyond surface knowledge. Look for a platform that specializes in IT training. Your chosen platform should also track everyone's progress, allow you to assign and unassign seats, set learning paths, and assign courses. Include a segment on training at regular team meetings. That's an important one. Discuss milestones at your one-on-one meetings with direct reports. Ensure managers are checking in on training metrics. Tie training goals to individual and team KPIs. Publicly celebrate certifications that they're achieving. Display certs in your department hallways, your conference rooms. Share progress reports with the team and all the teams. You'll truly know the score when you can show the return on investment, the ROI of your training spend. So here's a few metrics that can be part of your reporting. Track certifications achieved and how those certs add value to your team. Show the number of episodes watched as a metric for how your team is staying ahead of tech. Note the new skills added, like cloud, security, and so on. With no travel expenses or time away from work, at trainings or conferences, it's a good thing. Calculate the reduction in outsourcing needs when you upskill your existing team. So how do you win at IT leadership? You don't win, your team wins. When you have team members who feel that their careers are moving forward with new skills and certs, it's a win-win. Your organization wins because when you're maintaining systems and retaining employees and anticipating needs and preventing lapses in services, you win when your workload is manageable, your staff is content, and your leaders trust you to get the job done. So let's go out there and win a game. Let's make it to the playoffs. Let's win the Super Bowl of IT leadership. This can be applied to any business, not just IT companies. See how it correlates into your industry and use it, please. So until next time, make sure you like and subscribe. I've got more stuff coming. I look forward to talking to you in the next episode. Ring that bell, folks.